This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you have rightful access. Unlock the device and be ready to authenticate. Once done, open Settings and go straight to the section labeled Passwords, Autofill, or Password Manager. Make sure any multi-factor code or device PIN is nearby, because the system will ask you to confirm who you are. This is why you cannot view passwords without authenticating. Now that you're in the correct menu, prepare to select the specific saved login you need to inspect. Next, tap the account entry you want to examine. The list shows site or app names for clarity. When prompted, authenticate. Use Face ID, fingerprint, or enter your device passcode, because the operating system protects these secrets. After successful verification, you'll see an option like an eye icon or Show Password. Tap that to reveal the password. Take care to view it privately and do not copy or share it. This flow exists so only authorized users can access stored credentials. Finish by confirming you copied or recorded the password securely, then exit the password manager to relock the data. If you don't see the entry, check alternate sync sources like iCloud Keychain, Google Password Manager, or your browser's saved logins. If authentication repeatedly fails, use the device or account recovery process. Do not attempt circumvention. And if you remain locked out but can prove ownership, contact official support for the platform. Support can guide safe recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.